Hi guys, I'm Brittany.
I'm Michael.
Welcome to our channel. So this is our first ever video, and this is our pre-essentials for our first ever Disney cruise that we're taking.
Yes.
We're very excited.
Yes.
This is different from all our other trips. We've never been on a cruise, so we decided that we wanted to take our first ever Disney cruise. We're prepared.
Yes, we got a lot of stuff to show you today.
Yes, so enjoy the video, and yeah.
Yes. Bye.
So we're back, and these are our first items that we want to show you guys.
So we both got one of these bags. They're just like a little tote. Mine's here, and Brittany has hers is in mini, but it's at her house, so this is mine.
This one.
And then this, we opted in a fish extender group, which I'll explain more. But this is our fish extender for outside the door. And it's a little gift exchange that they do on Disney ships.
It's like Secret Santa.
Yes.
But like for Disney cruise style, I guess you can say.
You don't have to do it, but we did it. We're also in a recipe exchange, so we have 2 of those, and we have a lot of pixie dust items, which I'll explain, and I'll list any where we got this stuff at the end in the description. Okay?
Link down below.
I also got highlighters for both me and Brittany, just in case you never know.
Yeah.
We each got a koozie, and it just tells us the days.
Cannot wait to put like alcohol in that.
Yes.
All right. Rosé all day.
And then we both got pins, which we'll be wearing either throughout the cruise or the first day, you know.
Keep an eye on that, okay?
Yes. And I got this little Cruising with Mickey. It has all the decks with all the stuff in it. So, like each deck, and you know.
It's cute.
So, we won't get lost.
No problem. So it's like our little GPS.
Yes. Okay, so we're back.
So we got a dry erase board so we can put outside of our door.
Yes.
So, you know, we can have notes for, like, for example, our fish extender people. Like, oh, welcome, whatever the case is, or they can write notes to us.
Yeah, or we write something to tell our room person, like the people that clean the room. Or just like we'll write like, you know, what's your favorite color, and people can write on it, you know, so.
Yeah, so of course it has the Disney logo for the cruise and a cute little anchor. Go Disney. So next we have some magnets that we want to show you. So this one is our first Disney cruise. Has the Magic, which is the boat we're going on.
Yes.
And we can put this outside on the door.
Yeah.
Anywhere basically that.
Yeah, afterwards on the fridge at home.
Yeah.
Know, whatever.
Anywhere you want. So then we got our character.
Personalized.
Yeah. So I picked Ursula. Ursula is amazing. I mean, some people don't like her, but I like her. So.
Yeah, I got Baymax. So just like our fish extender, it matches. But, you know, I have like many characters, you know, that I like that are my favorite. But like, you know, it's whatever.
Yeah, my fish extender is not Ursula. Mine's Hello Kitty. Just saying.
Yes.
Don't judge. don't judge. So our next one is, you know, our names, which I'm Brittany.
Michael.
And obviously my favorite color is pink. So
yes.
We can put this anywhere.
They didn't have yellow for me, but blue is the next best other than the orange, so. But yes.
And then the last one is our initials, B and M. So it's, you can see it's Minnie and Mickey because, you know, they're best friends and we're best friends.
Yes.
Are they best friends?
Well, I think they're husband and wife.
Okay, never mind. We're not husband and wife though. We're just best friends. There's something, but we're just best friends.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's cute because
yes.
I love Minnie. She's adorable. She's the best.
And then we also have full name, like spelled out letters, but they're already packaged and I don't want to open them again. But hers is Hello Kitty and mine's Harry Potter. Even though, what's it called? This is Disney, even though we should incorporate a little, you know.
Yeah, you gotta have some Harry Potter. And I mean, Hello Kitty's not Disney, but who cares?
Yeah.
She's
outside things too.
She's from her place. She's with her friends chilling.
Yes.
So that's with our magnets and our dry erase board.
Okay. So, also, big thing when you're on the ship, you don't want to be lugging a lot of stuff. So,
Yeah.
I also got both of us these like little bag clutch things, whatever you want to call it. You could put like the card or, you know, IDs, money, you know, just essential stuff, and you could throw it over your shoulder. It's one of those secured ones, the RFID, you know, a little pouch kind of thing, you know.
And that's perfect when you go to the islands or when you go to, you know, the parks.
Mm-hmm.
So that's really good to invest.
Yeah, you could fit your phone in here, your wallet, whatever, passport.
Pretty much anything.
Yeah.
Well, not your whole entire purse or bag, whatever.
And then I got these little, they're not like the big inside, but they could fit, you know, a couple of things like some cash, coins, your ID, you know, passport maybe. Good for like, you know, a quick thing, leaving the room, your essential, you know.
Mm-hmm. That's a cute one. Yeah, I like that one.
And then of course you got to get a waterproof for your phone.
Yes.
Still have to, you know.
Phones are our life.
Yes. Make sure they survive the cruise.
Yeah, definitely if you're going like to the islands or, you know, to, let's say, Magic Kingdom.
Mm-hmm.
Like you're walking around and you go on a water ride. You don't want to have your phone out and then it gets soaking wet and it breaks. I'd rather have that.
Yeah, and you can also put money, your ID, the key for the cruise, you know, the cabin. So
that was like whoever invented that's very smart.
Yes. And then I have this Cruising with Mickey. And for the first day when we get to the port, when we leave from New York City, it will have our passports in here, luggage tags, just to keep organized. I do have a folder with all the papers, but I'll put like passports and, you know, stuff in here.
Yeah. So
it's a nice little, you know.
That's good too
case.
To have. Yeah, that's good to have.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like all those. And last but not least,
my favorite.
Amazing. Clothes, t-shirts.
Mm-hmm.
You have to go like all Disney out on this. Like 100%. Like we love Disney.
Mm.
So we went to Disney last year and we had matching shirts. And it had like the best friends, like for each character, like for Lilo and Stitch and whoever, and then said our names. So that was really cool.
Yeah.
So we got some shirts we'll show you. So let's see what this one is. So hopefully you guys can see this. So this one is our Disney Magic because, you know, first time cruising, we want to, you know, go all out for our Disney shirts. So this is one of them. I like how it looks and it's really cute. So we can't wait to wear those.
Yes, this is for our day at Disney World, which our cruise is 7 nights, 7 days, whatever.
So we're going from
8 days.
Sunday to Sunday.
Yes, out of New York City, which is good for us because we live in New York, so.
Yeah, we're good.
So.
Our next shirt is Tastes Like Vacation.
Yes.
So, like, you know, we can wear that whenever, you know, maybe when, you know, we're going to the Bahamas or somewhere in between. I mean, we have 7 days, so we can wear them twice if we want. Who gives a shit?
Yes. Also, I did get these from Life by Francisco. He's a YouTuber. So he was doing like a little, not like giveaway, but like, you know, customize his merch. So, and just was like, you know what? Since we're going on vacation, I picked one out for both of us. Just like with all the other shirts, we each have our own.
Yes. So. Thank you, Life by Francisco. So our next shirt is sorry guys. Okay, here we go. My first Disney cruise. So definitely gonna wear that. But when are we wearing that?
Probably the first day.
So that's on Sunday.
Yes.
So
Hopefully it won't be cold. So we won't have to wear, jackets or shirt. But once we're inside the port terminal, we can do that.
Yeah, I'm wearing that. I don't
Hopefully
care.
we'll take pictures with Mickey or whoever's in there.
Yes, cannot wait. Sorry for my mouth. I curse a lot. Us New Yorkers, we like to curse.
You may have to bleep that.
Yeah, just feel like a duck. So our last one, sorry, I think is one of my favorites, is a pirate's life for me because they have pirate night on the ship. I don't know what day exactly, so we got matching shirts for that.
Yeah.
So I don't really like pirates, but I really like the shirt because for mine it has Minnie's bow, so I'm gonna be rocking that. And when I go back to work, I'm gonna be rocking all these Disney clothes. I don't really care.
We have bandanas that match, and then I also think Disney gives you like a half bandana the night before. So in our room, but yes. So I will link all like where I got these
down below.
Yes. What's it called? But yes, and also. You won't be seeing it here, but I will include pictures later on. I do have a red for a Disney day, a little over the shoulder. What is it called? Backpack kind of thing.
Yeah, kind of
Satch.
like a thing that goes over like a shoulder bag. I guess you can say.
Like because since we're first time cruisers, Disney doesn't give us lanyards or the Castaway Club bag yet, so. We have to get,
the little thing.
Our own stuff. But what's it called? So yeah, I have that. I also have a book bag that I'm packing. Probably 2 duffel bags because we'll be buying a lot on the ship and Disney and the island. So
yes. Also when we go to the islands, Castaway Cay.
Yes.
I'm gonna be on a little tube. So if you see me, if you guys are, see me, say hi to us.
Yes.
You can see me on the tube going down. Not really, but We're excited though.
Yes, can't wait.
I think we're going to be going on more Disney cruises.
Yes.
I hope so because I want to get a lanyard.
Yes. So we'll see you guys in another video, which will be when we're on the ship. We'll have some vlogs, maybe a mukbang.
Yes, mukbang
in the room.
ASMR.
Yes. But yeah, so stay tuned. We'll see how this goes. So
like this video. Thumbs up, subscribe to us. And hopefully you enjoyed this video.
And hopefully this helps anyone planning a Disney cruise or, any other cruisers out there that, been on Disney. So hope you enjoy and stay tuned, like we said.
Peace out.
Bye.